Alright guys, this is my bike check. If you haven't seen my original bike in, like, I don't know, check out my first bike check. I have all the same parts, but the things I got new is Eastern Choker V3 stem, blue, obviously. I think it's a 35mm reach. I got a new Eastern, I don't know how to say it, it's like a Cycus sprocket, I guess, in blue. And I got a Nitrous double shot back wheel in blue. Nitrous cassette hub, 9-tooth, 25-tooth. Eastern pop and lock hub guard in red, obviously. All the same parts. I got new Odyssey Twisted PC in marble, red and black again. And I'm about to get a new frame. This is a Black iMac. Pretty cool. And then I'm getting the Aaron Ross grips probably like next week before I go to Woodward. Yeah. So, give me a shout out if you're going to Woodward July 9th through the 16th this summer in 2011. Yeah. I'll be there on my bike. So, here's my last. Got there. Oh yeah, I got the new premium Refuse Resist tire. Very cool, cheap, really nice though. Got it for like $12 on Dan's Comp. So yeah, see ya.